In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display WooCommerce products by category on your website. To get started, make sure your store is organized with clear product categories. Before you place anything on a page, create the categories you want customers to browse. This could be anything that makes sense for your shop, such as product type, collection, or style. Well-planned categories make your store easier to navigate and help shoppers find what they need faster. Once your categories are ready, assign each product to the appropriate category. This step is important because the category display on your page will only pull in products that have been correctly assigned. If a product is missing from a section later, this is one of the first things you'll want to double-check. Next, open the page where you want the products to appear. This could be your home page, a shop landing page, or a dedicated category showcase page. Think about the customer journey here. You want to place these product sections where they'll be easy to see and useful to the visitor. Now add a WooCommerce products by category block, shortcode, or plugin element depending on how your site is built. If you're using the block editor, this is usually the most straightforward option. If your theme or page builder uses shortcode or custom elements, choose the method that fits your setup best. The goal is the same. Insert a section that can display products from one specific category. After adding the element, select the category you want to display. Be careful to choose the correct one, especially if you have categories with similar names. This setting controls exactly which products appear in that section. Then configure the number of products and the number of columns. This affects both the appearance and usability of the section. A smaller number can keep the layout clean, while more columns may work better on wider pages. Try to balance visual appeal with readability so the products don't feel cramped. Repeat the same process for any additional categories you want to feature. This lets you build multiple sections on the same page, each highlighting a different part of your store. Once all your sections are in place, customize the product layout so it matches the look and feel of your website. Adjust spacing, alignment, and styling options as available in your editor or theme. When everything looks right, publish or update the page. Then test each category section carefully to make sure the correct products appear. If anything looks off, review the category selection and product assignments. And that's it! You now have a clean, category-based product display for your WooCommerce store.